So we're in Parkside Crossing subdivision on the Southwest Corridor right here in South Charlotte. Absolutely stunning Pulte community, master plan community, 500 homes here. There's going to be all kinds of amenities with pocket parks and pools. Today I want to show you the Riverside model, which is a 4 or 5 bedroom house, started at the low 600s. So let's go ahead and check it out. If this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe and bell notification so you can be the first to learn about the market conditions right here in Charlotte, North Carolina. My name is Dean Hardy. I'm a local realtor, and I get calls, text messages, and emails every single day from people just like you, and you. I absolutely love it. So if you're thinking about moving to Charlotte, whether it's 9 days or 90 days, go ahead and reach out to me today. My contact information is below in the description. You can also book a Zoom call so we can meet face to face. I would love to help you and your family make a smooth move to right here in Charlotte, North Carolina. So we're just going to jump right in. I'm going to show you this absolutely incredible property. This floor plan is absolutely stunning, and you will see what I mean right now. So I wanted to start at the back of the house. As you can see, this entranceway is absolutely stunning. There's just so much space in this floor plan, wide open. As soon as you come in here, you've got a nice grand entranceway. You've got a half bathroom. And also, if I'm going to swivel around over here so you can kind of get a gauge, here is the dining room. Really large open space. Love that 7-foot table in there. As you can see, there's a ton of extra space in there. A lot of natural light in there. And one of my favorite features, everybody loves this shiplap right now, and they've painted it in this kind of iron ore color, which is very, very popular. As you can see, the fixtures in here are stunning. You can get a Clips home theater speaker package with the house, so there's sounds all over the house. Really, really nice feature that they've done over here. So as you come into the house, into the main entranceway, you can see the formal office right here. Lots of space, couple pieces of furniture in here. Great lighting in here as well. They've done the shiplap finishes there. Really nice finishes again with these wide open windows letting in lots of natural light. Now here's where you probably wanted to see. I'm going to show you the bathroom, the half bathroom. Yes, you probably don't really want to see that. But here's this wide open floor plan in the living room. Notice the fireplace, gas fireplace, brick finish on there. Again, the shiplap, the TV's mounted well above the wall, so out the way. Lots of ceiling, floor to ceiling windows, so a lot of natural light in here. Then you've also got like a kitchen area that has a breakfast area. So this is probably more so for the everyday eating versus the formal one that you'll use at the holidays. But this kitchen, one of my favorite features, as you can see, large kitchen island. It's got a nice, beautiful backsplash on here. You've got the subway tile with the dark colors. You've got this, what is it, five burner gas stove in here. Modern white cabinetry, soft close, stainless steel appliances, really nice. Now I'm going to show you one other thing in here on this main level. So this is a sunroom in here. So it's still wide open. They've got a nice little open area right here that kind of brings everything together. It's just a lot of natural light in here, and it's able just to sit down in here. Got a really nice big couch just to be able to sit down here, relax. You can go ahead and read a book down here. Just a place you can come and unplug. But this is an absolute wonderful downstairs floor plan. Really, really liking this with this lot of natural light, a lot of space down here. And as you can see on this area, this is the entranceway from the garage. So you've got a mud zone, a drop zone. Garage doors right over there. You've got a little bit of storage right over here. And then you're coming into the downstairs bedroom. Now, it is not the main level suite. It's a additional bedroom you can have built down here. It's not a huge bedroom, big enough for a bed, some furniture, and it does, of course, have a walk-in closet. And it also has its own private bathroom. So if you have guests, in-laws that are coming to town, this will be a great place for them to come. But the flooring, it's very modern. Again, you've got quartz countertops in here, walk-in shower that's tiled, so really great features. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump upstairs, so stick around. All right, so the second level has an open loft area. So what they've done here, as you can see, they've made it to more of a movie room or a second additional family room. So if you've got teenagers, or if you want to make a media room in a home theater place, this is the place to do. As you can see, they've got a really large sectional, lots of room here as well. Nice piece of furniture with a big flat screen on the wall. Notice the 3 windows right there. A lot of natural light in here. As you can see, the flooring is the same as downstairs, same as when you're coming up the stairs. So they've done a really good job. Now here's one of the bedrooms set up to be double bedroom. So they've got two beds in here. As you can see, the beds, a lot of space in here. We've transitioned now to a builder upgrade padded carpet. You can of course get the wood floorings throughout. They have a large walk-in closet right here. And as you can see, the bathroom, tile flooring, they've got a commode. It's a Jack and Jill style, so you can see the second entrance point there. And it is of course got two sinks. So if you've got more than one kid, that's perfect. So they don't fight about the sink space. You've got a stand-up bathtub in there as well that has a shower. Coming back through, you're back into this loft area. All right. We're going to move on to now the third bedroom. This bedroom, it's probably slightly smaller. It has the padded carpet upgrade there as well. Notice the trim that's throughout the house. You have the baseboard trim and throughout. Big enough, it's got its own window in here. This one doesn't have a bathroom connected, but it does have a large walk-in closet. So a really good feature on this one. A lot of space in here. Great for an additional room. Now moving on to another bedroom. This one again, it's all pre-wired with their clip speaker package. You're transitioning again to a carpet coming from the wood flooring, padded upgrade. You've got the large window right here, and you also have the large walk-in closet. So a lot of space in this bedroom as well. Now this is one of my favorite features. If you go turn around, the primary owner suite is further down the corridor on the second level. So you are segregated from the rest of the bedrooms in the house. Good thing to have, especially if you have teenagers, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now here's the entranceway for the Jack and Jill bathroom on the hallway here. So you've got that private entrance in the bedroom, and then it also opens up to more of a public one, which will service the additional two bedrooms on that side. Now here you've got the washer and excuse me, the washer and dryer. Really nice tile, matches the bathroom tile. You've got the same cabinetry as the kitchen, the white modern cabinetry, painted nicely in here. So it's got that iron ore lock in there. Plenty of space, as you can see, either side. So you could additionally put some storage and shelf in there very, very easy. So again, over 3,000 square feet. This house with the additional bedroom downstairs is closer to 3,400 square feet. So here's the primary owner suite. Notice immediately on the ceiling, you're gonna have the tray ceiling. You've got the floorboards. Now they actually do have the wood flooring in here. So a nice feature in here. As you can see, lots of light, lots of windows. You've got two smaller windows either side of the bed. And you also have a big double window on there. Again, it's pre-wired with their clips package. Here's the bathroom, absolutely stunning. Notice the darker tile in here. You've got the two sinks with quartz on there. Let me come in here so you can do a twirl around so you can see. Look at the bathroom. You do have it completely tiled. You have a built-in bench there as well, which is a really nice feature. And you do have the commode in here. Behind my right shoulder, you are now looking at the linen closet. So lots of storage in there. So it really is a private sanctuary, a place to get away. They've done an absolutely fantastic job with this model. Oh, you know what? I don't think I showed you the walk-in closet. So just give me 1 second here. Let's switch the lights on. The size of this closet and the custom cabinetry in here for it, done a really nice job. I'm just thinking, I think this was bigger than my bedroom growing up as a kid. It's absolutely huge. All right, so we'll go ahead and have a look outside and see what offers out there. Stay tuned. You know, we're now in the backyard. They've got a nice little concrete slab area here for a little hangout area. If you wanted to build and you didn't want the additional sunroom that you can see right here, you could probably extend the slab just like some of the neighbors have been doing, and you can either have a porch area or you can even just screen it in. But as far as the lot size, nice big lots. There is some neighbors. This is of course the model home, so it hasn't been fenced in yet. Not too much is going on over here. But as you can see, some of the fencing over there is what some of the neighbors have done, so if that's something you wanted to do. Now, for future reference, right over there where you see the digger, that wide open dirt, that's where the amenity center is going to be built, and there's going to be a pool. We're probably looking at next summer before that, so the summer of 25, before it's up and running. But that's exactly where it's going. There's several pocket parks in and around this area right now. So I'll just shovel around here so you can see it. All right, so I'm going to show you an additional property, so go ahead and stick around right now. So coming in hot, I'm going to show you not one, but 2 new construction subdivisions right here in the same area, the Southwest Corridor. Location is key here. Now you might want to stick around to the end because I'm actually going to give you a pro tip that you need to know when you're going to be working with a builder directly to purchase your new home. Now this community is called briw. It's built by Lennar Builders, nationwide builder. Lennar is literally in every state. They offer a fantastic warranty on their product. What I really like about this community is, one, the price points. The price points are at that entry level price point. Keep in mind that the medium house price here in Charlotte is right around $405,000. You can get a brand new construction and they start in the low 400s here. There's 3 to 5 bedroom floor plans available. Square footage starts at around 1,600 square feet and it goes to around 2,200 square feet. Some of the bigger floor plans do have a second level loft area, so they have some great options for you. Now, as far as the custom packages, Lennar typically doesn't do too much customization at this price point, but you can pick out your packages as far as flooring color, cabinet color, countertops, etc. So you do have that option if you want to build from scratch, but they're also building spec homes right now that go ahead and get put on the MLS immediately. Build time right now is around 7-8 months. Keep in mind weather does play into a factor there. If we get a lot of rain, it does slow the building down, the process down a lot. But this location is fantastic. The other thing that I really like about these homes is, as you can see, for new construction, there is a lot of spaces between the houses. Their lot sizes are slightly bigger and they've left a bit more of space between their houses. I'm sure you would agree. Now, it's not like some of the rural houses where you get acreage out here, so I'm not insinuating that. But as you can see, there is quite a bit of space between the houses, which is a great feature. Now, location is a key. This Steel Creek area, you are about 5 minutes away from the Tanger outlets. You are right here on Tryon, so you've got a straight shot to uptown Charlotte. You've also got access to both 77 and 485. So if you need to be anywhere in Charlotte, pretty much you can get on those 2 locations, but specifically uptown, you've got 77 and you've also got Tryon. You want to go to the airport, you're about 15 minutes drive, straight shot right on 485. So location is key right here. This whole area is exploded. There's a lot of land here that's available. Builders have come in, developers have come in and started to build new construction. So you're going to start to see a lot more videos around new construction here in Steel Creek because it is exploding and it is everywhere. So go ahead and stick around to the next property because I'm going to show you a custom built at a completely different price point. And of course it does back to lake and has basement lots. Stick around, we're going to chop that one up right now. All right, so Keystone is a custom home builder and they have bought some land within the Palisades subdivision. The Palisades is a very popular area in the Steel Creek area, the Southwest Corridor of Charlotte. Now they've bought 21 acres and they've built 62 homes. They're about 50% or so done. There is still lots available. So if you do want to build and choose, you can do that right now. There's 9 different floor plans available. Now the price points start around that $600,000 price point, but they do go north of $1 million. Now mainly is obviously which floor plan you choose, but the lot has a lot of value in it. So there is some lots around here that have basements, which is pretty rare here in the South. And there is also lake access in this subdivision. So if you're wanting something that has either access to the lake or on the lake, then of course the price point does go up. But as you can see from what this builder has done, it is really high-end finishes, flooring, siding. As you can see, the gourmet kitchen. They have a beautiful entranceway. They have a huge living area that has a stone fireplace that goes up both levels. There is options with main level primary owner suite. So if you're looking for something like that, definitely an option for you in this absolutely stunning community. As you can see, it's real busy today. A lot of workers coming in and getting this job knocked out. So I anticipate this to be sold out as far as picking houses here within the next few months. So if this is something you're interested in, go ahead and reach out to me today. I can get you connected with a builder. Now, one thing I talked about earlier in the video was a pro tip when you're working with new construction. It is a misconception that you do not need a buyer agent. All the builders in the sales office actually work for the builder themselves. Now, I've heard before also is if you don't work with an agent, they'll give you a price reduction on the actual house value. That's also incorrect. Builders never, ever, 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 or should I say very rarely, lower the prices of their homes, because it affects the price of the entire community, which drives the comps down. And a builder's obviously not going to want to do that. They want to drive the property's values up. So it's very important that you go ahead and reach out to an agent to represent you on the buy side with a transaction, so you have that full protection on that. So I hope this brought some value to you. Really stunning neighborhood. This is one of my personal favorites in this area. So if you're thinking about making that move, whether it's in 9 days or 90 days, go ahead, reach out to me, give me a call, send me a text. My contact information is below. We can book a Zoom meeting. We can meet face to face. And until next time, I'll see you around town, and God bless.